Okay, everyone, we'll look at the function. What we want to do is that we want to define a function and then um, the function call. Two things is important. Um, so let's try to do that. If you want to define function, then there is a keyword called the func, followed by the function name. What I'm going to show to you here is a simple function. Um, you know that we have temperatures, Fahrenheit and Celsius, and therefore there is a conversion rule from Celsius to Fahrenheit, or vice versa. So we will do Celsius to Fahrenheit function. We call that function C2F. Given a temperature, let's say the Celsius function, if it is a double, okay, then we will return, um, given this Celsius number, we will return another double, which is definitely that is Fahrenheit. So what we want to do is we need to calculate the conversion um, process given the Celsius number and to produce Fahrenheit. Um, there's a rule. Celsius needs to be multiplied by 9 and divided by 5 and finally add 32 degrees. And then we can return that Fahrenheit number and then we call that. So this is defined. Okay, it should be return, just a spell. When you call it, then we need to call the function name C2F. Okay, and then what we want to do here is that we need to put some number, let's say 57 Celsius. 57 Celsius, that is too high. Um, maybe 37. 37 is still very hot. I want to print this. Okay, print that. Say 37 in Celsius is the same as whatever in Fahrenheit. Okay, this is a string followed by uh, the temperature converted to Fahrenheit. 37 in Celsius, right? So let's try to run it. So 37 in Celsius is nothing but 98 in Fahrenheit. All right? So this is simple. The way that you define, then you have a variable. This is parameter, parameter, and type within parentheses. And after that, you have an arrow, dash and greater than sign, followed by the return type. Then you need to actually return in the body of that function. This is the definition of a function. The way we call it, function name, and then within parentheses should be the same as it is defined. The variable cell, colon, and then real value, 37. That is the way that you can call. Another way that you can define, another example, a little bit complicated ones is, I'm going to use this. See here, major detailed, that is a dictionary of dictionaries. Okay, so that the idea here is that if I give cyber, if I give the major number, major code, then it'll return program head name like this. Okay, in the function, let's say get the program head, then we need to send a dictionary, major detailed. So that dictionary is in the type string colon string colon string. Okay. Okay. String. All right. What this means is that this dictionary has a key, which is string. Value is another dictionary. That's what we have here. Okay. Another dictionary. And then it will return a string. Open and close. What actually here is that not only given a dictionary, but we need to give a key. Either that is a cybersecurity or computer science. We call that major. Major is a string. So given that major string, first thing that we need to do is, given that dictionary and major, then it'll return the value. If I say cyber, then it'll return the value from here there, right? According to the cyber, we will have another dictionary. So in that dictionary, I can call it detailed dictionary. All right. And then we need to return detailed, and then there's program head. All right. Here value optional. So what you need to do is that you need to do exclamation mark. You do not want to get optional. And also detailed here, you should have that. All right. And then we need to call function call. Let's say get phe. What we want to send is dict. Okay. So dict is here nothing but major detailed. So we say major detailed. And major here, there should be string, so there may be CS. And then we can print it. See what it is. All right, I want to save this and run it. Oh, by the way, James, right? What is, I want to get the program head, given this dictionary, for the major CS, right? If I do cyber, for example, save it and run it, you should have John. So I have John, right? So make sure that you understand how to define and how to call. When you call, this call should be, parameter should be in the same way the parameter is defined in the function definition. Okay? This is it for the function.